God, it's been so long that I've been in this toilet. What is it now? This seat is occupied.
Oh, Eggman, you're in there! Hurry up and get out!
Oh, if it isn't Sonic the Hedgehog, what's the matter? You had to go poo-poo?
Eggman, this is not a game! You always do this on purpose, don't you?
What was that, Sonic? I can't hear you. There's noise with all this poop dropping around.
Eggman!
Hey, Sonic! Sonic!
What? Never mind, I'm just gonna go to another restroom.
Now that that's over with, let's get down back to business. Occupied. Occupied! Did you not hear me, you retard? Said I'm occupied! Did you not hear me when I said I was occupied, you stupid boar?
A stupid what?
Mr. Baldy. No. Please, no. Mr. Saitama, please do not hurt me.
You can't help causing trouble for other people. And you call me Baldy. I guess you really are an idiot.
No, please, Saitama, don't hit me. Oh, God, don't hit me. Not again. No.
Thanks, Shinron.
It's Goku.
Now don't you misbehave again, Eggman.
Shut up, Mr. Goody Two Shoes.
He never learns.